On July 29th, 2023, I visited Hudson, Indiana for the Indiana Rail Experience Open House. This video is the third and final video covering that event, and mainly covers one of the Steubenville Hop runs featuring Little River Railroad 040 number 1. The exact year that number 1 was built is unknown. However, its wheels and frame date all the way back to 1908. Despite its size, number 1 performed flawlessly on its round trip from Hudson to Steubenville, Indiana. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this short chase. With the conclusion of the Steubenville chase, we will also see a few quick clips of Jetto Coal Company number 85, which was running the tank engine throttle time event.
Used to be $611, and then they bumped it up to $850. I'm like, screw that. They drive a train.
With that, we conclude this video and my coverage of the IRE Open House. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to catch all of my future uploads. Happy railfanning, and I'll see you all next time.